Virgin 359 Heavy, runway 28 right, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 28 right, Virgin 359 Heavy. China Southern 154, line up and wait runway 1 left. Line up and wait runway 1 left, China Southern 154.
San Francisco Tower, United 995, ready for takeoff at runway 28 left, departing east.
United 995, hold short of runway 28 left.
Holding short runway 28 left, United 995.
China Southern 154, runway 1 left, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 1 left, China Southern 154. United 995, line up and wait runway 28 left. San Francisco Tower, November 892 Sierra Mike is 21 nautical miles to the northeast at 8,400 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 19 right. United 995, runway 28 left, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 28 left, United 995.
China Southern 154, request, San Francisco Tower, New Zealand 1 Super is 24 nautical miles to the southeast at 6,600 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 28 right. China Southern 154, frequency change approved, good day. Frequency change approved China Southern 154, good day. New Zealand 1 Super, enter straight in runway 28 left. United 995, New Zealand 1 Super, requesting change to runway 28 right. New Zealand 1 Super, unable.
Contacting local departure on 120.9, United 995.
Mike Alpha November India Kilo 007 Heavy, enter left base runway 28 left. November 892 Sierra Mike, enter right base runway 28 right. Enter left base runway 28 left. Mike Alpha November India Kilo 007 Heavy, enter right base runway 28 right. November 892 Sierra Mike. New Zealand 1 Super. Number 1.
2500.
Runway 28 right. Clear to land. Number 1. Clear to land. Runway 28 right. New Zealand 1 Super. San Francisco Tower, Emirates 346 is 21 nautical miles to the southeast at 2,700 feet. Inbound for landing. Requesting runway 28 left. San Francisco Tower, November 408 Delta Hotel. Ready for takeoff at runway 28 left. Departing east. Emirates 346. Enter straight in runway 28 left. Number 2. Traffic to follow is on final. Enter straight in. Runway 28 left. Behind the traffic on final. Emirates 346. November 408 Delta Hotel. Line up and wait runway 28 left. Line up and wait runway 28 left. November 408 Delta Hotel. November 408 Delta Hotel. Runway 28 left. Cleared for immediate takeoff. Cleared for takeoff. Runway 28 left. November 408 Delta Hotel. San Francisco Tower, Mike Alpha November India Kilo 007 Heavy is 5 nautical miles to the southeast at 4,300 feet. Inbound for landing. Requesting runway 28 left. San Francisco Tower, November 242 Victor Yankee. Ready for takeoff at runway 28 left. Remaining in the pattern. Mike Alpha November India Kilo 007 Heavy. Number 1. Runway 28 left. Cleared to land. November 242 Victor Yankee. Hold short of runway 28 left. Holding short runway 28 left. November 242 Victor Yankee.
1000.
November 408 Delta Hotel. Frequency change approved. Good day. Number 1. Clear to land. Runway 28 left. Mike Alpha November India Kilo 007 Heavy. Frequency change approved. November 408 Delta Hotel. Good day.
$500. $400. $300. $200. $100. $50. $40. $30. $20. $10.
New Zealand 1 Super. When able, turn left. Contact ground on the taxiway. November 242 Victor Yankee. When able, turn left and contact ground. Please expedite. Traffic on final. San Francisco Tower. November 242 Victor Yankee. Ready for takeoff at runway 28 left. Remaining in the pattern. Wilco, New Zealand 1 Super. November 242 Victor Yankee. Hold short of runway 28 left. Holding short runway 28 left. November 242 Victor Yankee. Emirates 346. Number 1. Runway 28 left. Cleared to land. Number 1. Cleared to land. Runway 28 left. Emirates 346. American 787 Super is on left downwind runway 28 left. Full stop. New Zealand 1 Super. Request permission to cross runway 28 left. New Zealand 1 Super. Cross runway 28 left. Crossing runway 28 left. New Zealand 1 Super. San Francisco ground. Emirates 346. Request taxi to parking. Emirates 346. Taxi to parking. Taxiing to parking. Emirates 346.
Air Canada 346 Heavy, request permission to cross runway 1 left.
Air Canada 346 Heavy, cross runway 1 left.
Crossing runway 1 left, Air Canada 346 Heavy.
Air Canada 346 Heavy, cross runway 1 right.
Crossing runway 1 right, Air Canada 346 Heavy.
American 1321. Request permission to cross runway 1 left.
American 1321. Cross runway 1 left.
American 1321. Request permission to cross runway 1 right.
American 1321. Cross runway 1 right. American 1321. Contact San Francisco Tower on 120.5. San Francisco ground. New Zealand 1 Super. Request taxi to parking.
Contacting San Francisco Tower on 120.5.
New Zealand 1 Super. Taxi to parking. Taxiing to parking. New Zealand 1 Super. Air Canada 346 Heavy. Contact San Francisco Tower on 120.5.
Contacting San Francisco Tower on 120.5, Air Canada 346 Heavy.